I'll show you. See, this is Sanskrit. It's the same. Oh, this ka. In any line in Tulsi Ramayana like that. Any line. See here, only one word is not Sanskrit. That is hoi. See, Binu Sata Sangha Vivek, na hoi. Binu comes from Sanskrit Vina. Vina becomes Binu. Satsanga is the same in Sanskrit. Vivek becomes Vivek. Vivek in Sanskrit becomes Vivek. Na is na. In both languages. So only this is different. One word. So now if you learn Sanskrit, which you are learning here, you'll be able to recognize that very easily. You don't have to learn Awadhi. There's no need to learn Awadhi, because in any case you can't learn Awadhi, nobody will teach. So learn Sanskrit well, you'll understand Tulsi Ramayana well. Any line, you just tell me some chaupai. Let us see. Anybody who remember any chaupai of Tulsi Ramayana? Tell. Bare bhagya manushatna pawa. So when you learn your Sanskrit well, you will see this is Bade. This is Awadhi. This one word. Bhagya is Sanskrit. Bhagyavan. Bhagyavan means who has good fortune. So this is Sanskrit. Manusha is Sanskrit also. This comes from Manushya. Manushya. It means a man. Tana is Sanskrit, means body. Sanskrit. And here, Pawa comes from Sanskrit. Pa. Pa means Pati means to get, to obtain. So Pa has just become Pawa. So now when you learn this, all you will have to do is just get these sometimes one word. One word only there is Awadhi, which is not there in Sanskrit. All the other words are there in Sanskrit. So you just learn your Sanskrit well. In fact, it is better if you learn Sanskrit to understand Ramayana than learn Hindi. Because why? You will get to the root of the word. You will get right to the root of the source of the word. And that's always best. The source of the river is always clean, you know. Down the road, the people throw all kind of thing in it. When you go to the source, nice, clean water, you could drink that. So all the world, like any line. So you chose the right class. Sanskrit class. Right. So now, what was the last thing I was giving you in Sanskrit? I gave you some homework where you just had to write the Sanskrit words. English and then some Sanskrit words. Yeah? Right. Yeah? We were doing verbs. And I gave you some verbs. Which verb is it? I gave a list. Drish pashyati, to see. Right. So let us see. And I gave also pat, to fall. Like that? Let's do some practice. Say after me now. Patami, patavaha, patamaha, patasi, patathaha, patatha, patati, patataha, patanti. What is the meaning of patanti? They all fall. You have to say they all fall, because they too fall. Patami, patavaha, patamaha, patasi, patathaha, patatha, patati, patataha, patanti, patanti, patataha, patati, patatha, patathaha, patasi, patamaha, patavaha, patami. And you certainly wouldn't learn this if you just repeat after me in the class. You have to do this on your own at home. I keep telling that. I guarantee you will not learn it if you just repeat after me in this class. That's not the way you learn Sanskrit. You will have to go on practicing. I told you, make cards and go on saying these things, right? So if it was now another gum, I told you is an irregular verb, right? And it comes to gach. So now it is to this gach that we add all this ami, avaha, and amaha, and all of that, right? So you have to add that. So then now let us say gum. And we add with all the terminations. What will come? Gachami. So you have to say it loudly. Okay, all together now. 2, 3. Not bad. Good. What does it mean of khad? To eat. Right. Now you say it after me. Khadami, khadavaha, khadamaha, khadasi, khadathaha, khadatha, khadati, khadataha, khadanti. All by yourself now. 2, 3. Right. And then I gave you also masculine nouns ending in a, like Rama, Deva, Ityadi, right? Ityadi means etc. in Sanskrit. Then I also gave you neuter nouns ending in a, like Trina and Vana and Pushpa and Ityadi, right? Okay. Now see the sentence. Two boys fall from the tree. So the Sanskrit word for boy is bala. What it ends with? It ends with everybody understand that? And if you don't understand that so far, this ends with If that much you don't understand, you are in trouble. So if it ends with and bala, boy, right? Is masculine or feminine? So if it ends in and it's a masculine, that means to say it will be declined like what? Rama. So here now, two boys is subject, object or verb? Subject. If it is the subject, which case of the 8 cases it will take? It will take nominative case, right? And if it is two boys, that means it is a dual. It is dual. So you want nominative case and then you want the dual form, dual number, right? So now what you have to do, you will have to decline bala. So you're supposed to be able to do all that in your head. When you decline bala in the first case, what you get? Balaha, balo, balaha, like ramaha, ramo, ramaha. Right? So you want now the dual number in that first case. So that will be what? Balo. So that is two boys. Right? That's how you make Sanskrit sentences. You want balo there. So that now you have this first part of the sentence here. Balo. Then let us take the verb. So two boys fall. Which one of these here you need now? You need third person dual. You need this third person dual. In other words, you just have to ask for two boys fall, which pronoun you can put in there. It will be they. They too fall. So this is they all fall, and this is he, she, or it falls. But two is they, this one. Patataha. So two boys fall. That is the verb. So you have the subject which must match with the verb also. Because here is two. You cannot put two boys patati. Then something wrong there, isn't it? Two boys patati. Two boys patataha. Right. Now, the other noun which you have there is tree. You have the noun tree. And before the noun you have two prepositions there. From the. Right. I told you in Sanskrit you will not have any from. There is no word from in Sanskrit. So you need some form of tree itself. Right. Some particular case of tree itself. So which case that will be? Yeah, because the fifth case is from, than, because, due to, owing to, all of that. Fifth case. From, that's the fifth case. So now you need fifth case of tree. And I also gave you in class the tree. Tree is not vriksh. Vriksha, say? Right. That ends with what? And that is also masculine. So if it ends with a and it is masculine, it will be declined like Rama. And how many trees they fall from? So that means you want singular. Fifth case of Rama is what? Fifth case singular of Rama is what? Ramat. So here you want from Vriksha what you will get? Vrikshat. Now see English watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. 6 words in English. Sanskrit, 1, 2, 3 words. You save paper and save ink too. Three words. And this is general. Between 50 and 60% words it will fall in there. No, I told you that before. In Sanskrit, you put any word anywhere. Because here, no matter where you put the words will retain their meanings. Right? But you do it like this, so that we'll keep one. We'll keep one standard pattern, so it becomes easier for learning. Right? Balo vrikshat patatah se two boys fall from the tree. Or in Sanskrit, the present tense and the present continuous tense, they are one and same. So you could translate that in some other way also. Two boys are falling from the tree. You don't need to find any other thing for. Two boys fall from the tree, two boys are falling from the tree. I eat and I am eating. Same thing. Right? Now, like that, we can go on making sentences piece by piece like mathematics. It is not like English, where some other things will come. We will make some practice of using of all of these cases. So you get the hang of it. Who eat? Birds eat. And for bird, I gave already. Khaga. Khaga ends with what? So that is like Rama. Right? Khaga. And now we have here birds. It didn't say two birds. So you will have to presume it is many birds, right? Birds. If it were two birds in Sanskrit, it will be written two birds. So you don't have to worry about it. So birds. That will be now what? The plural of that will be? Khagaha, say? Ramaha. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. So here, Khagaha. Right. And what do the birds do? They eat. Just now I gave you the verb for eat. Huh? So then that birds eat will be what? How you say birds eat in Sanskrit now? Huh? Khadanti. Yes. So what you will have here? Khadanti. This is birds eat. How easy. Now, just now we had there from the tree. Here now? On the tree. And how many trees? One tree. So now you just the birds eat on the tree. See here, I'll show you just now. So this will be what case of tree now? 7 case of tree will be Rame. Vrikshe will be Vrikshe. How? See? Now see here. Suppose here I had put English. You could add words there, so you end up with how many words then? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again here, because they know the in English, Sanskrit. So that the is understood in Karaha. Birds eat on the tree or the birds eat on the tree? What is the difference? Which? This is the proper way in English. Not necessary. No. Yeah. Birds eat on the tree. See. So whether you have it or not, the Sanskrit remains same. Birds eat on the tree. See that? Okay. We could do another one right there. As a dangerous thief, you know. A Trinity thief. Yeah, correct. So for dogs I gave, Huh? No, that's Hindi. Well, this is Sanskrit class now. I didn't give in this class. I gave. You see? Huh? Pashu. Kukura. What it looks like? Ending with what? I'm only giving that because that's how so far in the class I have. I don't want to give you any guru or anything with u. Kukura. So now, here, a plural. So what you will get here? Kukuraha. Isn't it? Kukuraha. Dogs. What they do? They run. Run I gave. Some people looking like strange, like first time they're hearing that run. Run is dhav. I didn't give? You gave in Hindi? Daurna. Dhav. Okay, so now I give. So, what Namban person you want for dhav? What number one person you want here? Third person plural. They run. Isn't it? So dhav, third person plural will become what now? Huh? Dhavanti. Yes. Dogs run. Kukuraha dhavanti. Now from the thief. What is thief? Let me tell you something. In Trinidad, people know this word real good. Chor. Chora. Say? Chora. What it looks like? Only. Like Rama. So, from the thief. Which case again you want? Fifth case. So, fifth case of Chora will be? Chorat. How easy? Right. I gave this root. I didn't give. Bhu becomes bhav. Bhu becomes bhav. It means to be or to become. Right. So, Now do. Yes? Huh? Both are masculine. Who will come and write the answer? LLER or 1L? 2L? Traveler? Grammar. Pathika. Wait, what is he? Patheka. No, Pathika. Finish? That means you all are not practicing at home. You're still writing like snail, yes? All are masculine. I'm not giving any other thing. From village to village is more than one village? From one village to another village. No. Now she's checking to see if she do it right. From village to village. Kshetra. Kshetra. Next week is test. Next week is test. But open book test. Open book test just as hard as a Nira test, you will see. You think it easy. You will know which page to open.